Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using a computer that's fairly recent and that has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi that is from Intel devices, there are new drivers out there and they are worth downloading and making sure that you update your system. You can check out what type of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth you have by right-clicking the Start button and going to the device manager in your PC. Here you will have, of course, in the list, you can check for network devices, see if it's an Intel. So for example, I've got an Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX200 here. And of course, this is something you can check there, and you can check out what type of driver you've got for Bluetooth. If you've got an Intel Bluetooth, maybe this driver is for you. These are for fairly recent devices, by the way. So if your computer is quite old, these drivers are not going to be compatible for you. If you download them and try them, anyways, the drivers are going to be telling you that this is not for your computer. What does it do? Well, it fixes some bugs, especially with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also. There's a lot of connectivity bugs that were discovered, and so devices would disconnect randomly, things like that. Connections might not have been full speed, so it fixes some of the bugs. It also enhances the devices, especially if you're on Windows 11 24H2, which has brand new capabilities with Wi-Fi to improve the devices. It might be worth checking out. I will share the link to both pages, the Intel wireless Wi-Fi drivers for Windows 10 and 11 that are the latest right now, 23.100.0, and also the page for the Bluetooth, which also has the same 23.100.1. So check that out, and it might either fix problems if you had some issues with connectivity, but it also will help enhance your devices on your computer. So the link to both of these drivers is in the download and the description below. Hope that it helps out and fixes some of the issues if you had any. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.